The magnetometer was firstly introduced in the 19th century by a German mathematician and physicist called Carl Friedrich Gauss. Its main purpose is to measure the strength, direction, and even relative changes of the magnetic field around it. Nowadays, almost every smartphone is equipped with one. Its main purpose is to compare the measured magnetic field and its direction to the known normal field of the Earth. This is used to provide accurate direction and position of the user on, for example, a map. The Tactigon board have built-in function to measure the values of the magnetic field along the XYZ axis. Let's see how it's done. First of all, go to the tool window and check if Next Board, USB serial and Tactigon are selected. Then choose the right COM port. Now we're going to include the Tactigon IMU library. This library contains all the necessary functions that we're going to need. Then we will be declaring the Magmeter and Magdata handlers. Those will be used to gather information about the magnetic field surrounding the Tactigon board, and later on display the data in a serial terminal. In the main loop, we're going to update the Magdata container with the measured Magmeter data. This is done with the magmeter.getAxis function. The main purpose is to gather information about the magnetic field along the XYZ axis. Once we've opened the serial terminal, we can see that the X, Y and Z magnetic field values are pretty much all the same. If we start to come closer with a magnet to the Tactigon board, the values start to change.